Murals guys sa Bongbong Elementary School, Mananaw ta. Tapos akong bugoy. Hi, Chay. Ibang tangkoy na. Hello, Antulihaw. And guys, gamay lang ang estudyante sa Bongbong.
Okay, so now that everyone is gathered, let us officially begin our opening program. To solemnly start our event, may I call on Don Pete Talima for the opening prayer, and this will be followed by the singing of the Philippine National Anthem. To welcome us this morning. A round of applause.
Ang kapoy.
Hello.
Garden.
Mga do katauran kinasing-kasing pasalamat una-una o sa mga kaubanan ng mga konsyales nga niya karon nagsuporta og ninduyog sa atong kalingawan o sa mga barangay tanod o sa atong mga bisita o sa
Our school head, Ma'am Emeline F. Sabandal. School, I hereby declare the official opening of the Intramurals 2025. Let the games begin, and may the spirit of sportsmanship, camaraderie, and excellence shine throughout this celebration. Good luck to all participants. Ready? Friendly competition, diba? Okay, so, but before
Hi,
that,
Sean!
let us now enjoy first a lively presentation from our very own Bongbong Elementary School Drum and Lyre Corps. Okay, so this year, kasi sila nabalik after so many years. By the way, thank you so much, parents, for your support aning atong school drum and lyre. Okay, so ang atong mga atulihaw, padaplin sa gamay.
Kung kinsay una maka-race. So, moingon ra ko. Ready? Asa ha? Sige, trial. Si G. Iningon ako go. Mo ba mo? Dagan. Sige, trial. Ready? Get set. Go!
Trial pa mo. Dalian din!
Ang atong pang-iandam ang atong kuan. Trial pa man eh. Hi, Chon!